We are back with another, we're back with another desk unboxing. Have you ever wondered if you needed a smart desk in your life? Because I have. And here we go. Today we're looking at the Beflo Tenon workspace. And this thing is pretty nuts. First thing when you get any new product is you gotta read the box and the instructions. Right here it says, warning, contents may be heavy. Use 2 people for handling and lifting. Failure to comply can cause product damage and or personal injury. Team lifting required. What if you don't have any friends? Whoa! Hello. I'm actually really excited for this desk. So I did research into it, except I didn't look at all of the add-ons. There is, I believe, 14 or 15 different add-ons that you can get with this desk, which is pretty cool. Comes with weapons. Right now I'm debating between using the actual PDF instructions, which the instructions are a little too detailed for me. I'm just gonna use this cardboard thing, I think. Step 1, insert the legs into the extrusions. Okay. Okay, so it turns out the reason why it looked like there wasn't that many things is because there weren't that many things. You were missing the legs, but we have them now. Man, that is hefty. I love unboxing these premium desks because the desk that I use at home is terrible. Cheapest thing I could find on Amazon that would actually go, like it's motorized and goes up and down. It's got one of those big motors on the underside. You can hear it crank. You hear it when the thing goes up. It's terrible. Maybe this is the desk I buy. I don't know. Insert the legs into the extrusions. Step 1. They said to build with a friend, but I don't have any friends. So, I mean, obviously this goes on the back. I just hope that it doesn't matter with regards to this. It seems pretty uniform, so I'm just gonna go for it. Name one person you've seen be graceful building a desk. I'll wait. Nobody.
Wait, you didn't wait that long.
I have to flip this thing over anyway, so I'm gonna do that right now. 90 degrees. There we go. But then, how the heck? How am I supposed to get this? Guys, help!
So I think you put this back.
Yep.
And then we're just gonna like detach this entire.
Oh! They didn't pick me to do these videos because I'm an expert. They picked it because it's comedic. Uh-oh.
There you go. Now just push.
This is why you need a friend.
We're friends now.
Yep, yeah, exactly. If we weren't before, we are now. Cool, and it's already 90 degrees. Perfect, now we gotta screw it together. Oh, this is sick. It tells you which step the screws are for. So this is for step 3, so we don't use this because we're on step 2. These are screws for step 2. There's 4 screws here, 4 screws here, times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. All right, I definitely did that all by myself. Now we're done. On to step 3. So step 3 is we're gonna combine this with the desktop and screw it in. So let's prep that. Now, there is one problem with our desktop that I have noticed. And if you come over here, Andrew, you'll be able to see. I don't know what exactly happened, but we've got a crack right here, it looks like. So I don't know if that happened in shipping or if that happened here. We should probably just get in touch with them. But for the purposes of this video, we will move on. Can everybody math with me at home? We've got 3 times 4 equals 12. We should have 12 screws. And we do. I do actually, unironically, I really like the way that they're labeling the screw bags. It helps a lot. A lot of these other desks and chairs especially, you just get the plastic and it's just got the associated letters and numbers, and then you have to go into the instructions and match everything up. This is very straightforward. Oh no, hold on a minute. Is it, oh, okay. Is it actually raised up or is this desk just cracked? No, it is, thank God, okay, cool. It's also, it's not even that, it's like it's not aligned properly. The issue that we're running into with this desk is not all the screw holes are lining up. We thought it was maybe because of the small crack that we have in our unit at the top here, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. So we're gonna try screwing everything in again and see what happens. Oh yeah! I don't think we're doing anything wrong, right? Okay. Because the only thing I can imagine is just having a $2,000 desk and you've got everything dialed in, but you just spaced the holes a little off. I was just told that we've had this thing since January and it's been moved around quite a bit. So step 3 complete, time to do step 4, connect the leg plugs. Okay, okay. 3 plugs connected.
Oh, yeah.
4 plugs connected, okay. Step 4 complete. All right, I need a friend. Oh, that is hefty. Look at that. Look at those beveled edges. I'm actually stoked about this. Okay, and the last step here is flip over, connect the light plug, and place the logo cover next to the touch panel. Yo, nice, cool. Okay, and we are connected. Oh man, it's so clean. Okay, are we done? Is this thing finally ready? Just like we're ready for our sponsor. Thanks to Sweetwater for sponsoring today's video. Hey, don't I sound good? Well, the folks over at Sweetwater can help you sound as good as us. Whether it's mics, headphones, sound mixers, preamps, or more, they've got everything you need. Not sure what products you need? Use the comprehensive resources on their site to help guide you. Or speak to a Sweetwater sales engineer for personalized gear advice. Sound clearer, crisper, and cleaner with Sweetwater. Check them out at the link below. So at first glance, I am a fan of minimalist design, and this thing looks nice. Looks really good. We've got the walnut finish here. If you go on their site right now, it looks like they have a gray plywood top, but we've got the walnut here, which is good. We've got this touch screen here, up and down. Sick. Let's get this down because I'm short. Different levels of brightness. Go down. That work?
Oh yeah.
Cool. You need to set your mood. Volume. Got speakers. Where are the speakers? And then we've got a cogwheel for Tenon info and connection. Calibration of factory reset. Let's get this thing connected. So Beflo has an app, which we have right now. Going to try now. Connect to desk. Oh, connecting to desk. Let's go. Retrieving data. Let's go. Firmware upgrade successful. Okay, it made an account. I have logged in. Connect to desk. Am I already connected? Oh, okay. Apparently when you make an account, you have to reconnect to the desk. Maybe to like actually pair it to your account, I guess. I don't fully understand. So right now I'm looking at the height. Oh, and it's in inches now, which is interesting. It was not in inches before, so that's cool. Sweet, it's updating in real time. I can click on the settings here, and then I can save it to one of my profiles. Woo! How high does this thing go? Let's see. That's it. 46.9 inches on the app. It says 46.8 inches on the display here. So that's cool. So I was just trying to use the on-desk display and the app at the same time, and it came up with, you cannot use this app while the desk touch display is in use. I guess you don't send it like mixed commands or something, so leaving it. I just saved a sit profile. Let's get it to go back down to the sit profile. And while we're at it, let's take a seat. So we got the light. Can you guys see the light on the front? Oh, and there's a slider here that goes up and down. So yeah, let's keep that at the top. Dark blue. Okay, this is making a lot more sense now. There's just a lot of control over how you want the light and what color profile that you want. So am I able to save different ones? Interesting, there's a timer on here. The desk will know how long you've been present, and you can decide when it will tell you to take a break. And then palette, let's change this to lavender sunset, folks. Did I do it?
It's doing a 3-piece thing.
What? Custom height range, switch unit inch. Yeah, so you can change it from centimeters to inches, which is cool. It's on inches now, so I know what's up. That's cool. Yeah, dude, you must be able to plug like full-on speaker systems here, because there's an auxiliary cord. So part of the selling feature of this desk is that you have I/O built right in. So you've got an auxiliary port, you've got a 10-watt USB Type A, and you've got a 15-watt USB Type C right in here. And then on the back here, we've also got 4 outlets that you can plug different devices into. And then we're gonna get into all of the different accessories that we have from Beflo. All right, time for the unboxing within the unboxing. What's our first accessory?
Well, you're a pretty unorganized person.
I am. This is the Beflo Valley desk mounted organizer. Contents: pegboard, pen holder, plate A, B, adapter ×2, and a user manual. Find your flow, enjoy the moment. Thank you, I will, thank you. Getting a premium feeling tech-enabled desk isn't gonna be the cheapest thing you've ever done. I believe this desk retails for $24.99 USD, and I think it's $500 for all of the different accessories they have, which is quite a few, and it's $200 for shipping in either the US or Canada. So take that as you will. I will say, this is premium. This is hefty. Woo! Beflo says that this top is scratch resistant, so probably gonna put it to the test, unboxing some of these different accessories. Cool, and then these move along. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. So, right, put that in. You know, I'm gonna put this over here, why not? We're gonna put this guy, you know, we're gonna go down there. Actually, let's swap that. Let's go like that. I'll put this over there. Ooh. Very modular, which I like. So you put everything you need. Imagine your desk actually looks nice and clean and has just a little bit of stuff on it, so that's cool. Okay, hit me with the next one. Modesty panel. I need more of that in my life.
Oh.
What's happening? No? Where's the phone? Oh, you know why? The timer. It was the timer. The timer went off. It's time to sit up. That's why. Oh my gosh. I would set that and I would totally do exactly what I did there and I'd forget and I'd be like, what's wrong with this thing? Okay, well, that's pretty cool though. So it actually will make you sit up. That did not feel like 15 minutes, but that was 15 minutes. Again, feels very premium, which is good. So it actually hooks in. So actually it's really easy to install by yourself. And then we've got the screws, which we will put in now. The reason that you get the granite here is for cable management. On the back side of it, you can actually attach things to it with a magnetic strip that's there. And it also kind of doubles as a privacy filter in a sense. You know, a little bit of extra cover. Beflo sink line, laptop holder for the Tenon. So this will actually show how the granite system works. Facing up, do one, and we will do the other. Imagine it's 2023. You're a business professional. You've had a long, busy day. You want to sit down at your minimalist desk, and you walk into your office and you just go, put down. Oh, that's actually.
That is very cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. Pebble Pro 8-in-1 dock, 135 watt power supply, 10 gig USB-C times 3, 1 gigabit per second Ethernet port, 4K HDMI, 60 hertz UHD. Even the dock looks pretty sick, pretty stylish. Magnetic. All right, let me go over the 8 different steps to install this. Step 1, done. You run your cables up through this maybe, right along. Where would I hide the actual brick though? The Beflo Clast adhesive accessory adapter for Tenon. That's a good idea. I'm spending more time cable managing this desk than I have any desk I have ever owned. Plug it into this bad boy here. Because I don't know how many more accessories there are. I'd probably spend a little bit more time to place everything where I really want it, but how does it look from the back there?
Looks great.
There's stuff back there, would you believe it? Wow. The Beflo Creek, magnetic cable channel attachment for Tenon's legs. Yeah, I like it. I'm actually really liking this desk. I personally, as a consumer, would find the price hard to swallow, but granted, I'm also a person who bought a $400 Razer mouse, so who knows? If you're running more things down the desk and you want to hide the cables, you would just slot the cable into this little groove here. Oh! The Beflo Argil. There's a lot of different textures to this thing. Like some of the parts feel like a very premium metal. Where the laptop is in, it's just like a plastic thing that goes over the granite accessory. And then this is like a rubber. Not that that's a problem, I'm just getting used to everything here. Tuck Argil into the groove on the Tenon desktop. Cables can be slid under Argil's 4 corners for quick storage and easy access. Like that?
Like
there you go, and then keep it flush as much as you can. I feel like this would collect dust really easy. That's all, you'd have to clean this thing a lot. So just to note for everybody, we're doing this a little out of order. Some of these accessories come with the $500 Flow kit, some don't, and then we're also missing some accessories, so apologize for that. But I'm here for it. Load desk hook. Just like the other side, it comes with these little adapters, so we will slot one in. And then we just hook this on into it, bop, like that. Nice and easy. The Beflo Slant laptop stand with 360-degree rotating base, dual rotary shaft, and fully foldable. Bam! Very sticky base. It actually holds really well. And then,
oh wow, look at that.
Hear that tactile click? Wow. Pretend it's 2023. You know, you're important. And you want to get to work. You just put your little laptop there, and that probably, I guess depends if you have an external monitor. You'd probably slant it some way, and you'd open it up, and you would do business work. Okay, like a business person. All the other names are so cool, and then they're like, I don't got any more names left. Dale. Storage pouch attachment for Tenon workspace. So we're gonna pop this accessory out. Actually, I wonder if we can have both of these in at the same time. No, we can't actually. So that's a little unfortunate. So if you want to install all these accessories, you have to be strategic about what sides you put them on. So this hypothetically should just go in like that. Bam, organizer. I actually like that. All of these different textures, it's a little weird aesthetically. I wonder how much better it would look with the gray top. I bet it would look a lot better because everything's kind of like a different shade of gray. But on this walnut finish, it's a lot. You know whose thoughts we need to get on this? An executive. We need an executive's thoughts. I think I'm gonna go get Yvonne. What do you think of the design of this desk right now, so far?
The design?
The design. Do you like the look of it? All these different attachments come with it. It's got a minimalist design. I was saying to everybody that it seems like an executive desk to me, except for the crack.
Just because of the look?
Because of its design, Yvonne. Look, click the screen. It's got a screen on it. It's got an app. Yeah.
I mean, honestly, when I first saw it, I thought of, you know those like 90s homes with those big, like expansive home offices that have the shelving in the back?
All the built-in shelving, all the built-ins.
That is what made me think of it, but I thought it was just like the color.
Yeah. How much do you think this desk costs?
Okay,
Holy
how
crap.
much do you think it costs, or how much would I pay?
Both. How much would you pay for a desk like this? It's got up-down functionality. It's got built-in I/O. It's got all these accessories here.
Is it real wood?
It's got, I believe it's real wood.
Or is
Yes.
it veneer?
I believe this is real wood.
$4,000?
Whoa!
Nail that?
Folks! It's $2,500 plus $500 for the accessory kit.
Okay.
And then more if you want other stuff. Wow, okay.
I was talking in Canadian and you're talking in US.
US, so actually
Okay.
you're basically on. Cool. Wow, okay, I just wanted to get your thoughts. You're the only executive in the building, so.
You're an executive.
I'm an executive?
Cool. I would not
Cool.
pay that for that.
Okay, all right.
Sorry.
There you have it. That's the Beflo Tenon Smart Adjustable Desk. I like it. I like some of the things they did. I like the way that these different accessories slot in. I would use this desk. I personally would go for the gray top if I was getting all of the accessories, but $24.99 USD, I don't know. So anyways, thank you all very much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment. Check out the other desk that I checked out, the Magnus Pro with Dennis, the Secret Lab Magnus Pro.